Good morning, folks. It's day 4. This is Loki reporting from the Musgrave Point homestead. Here we are again. But the smoke has cleared a little. I mean, you know, it's still pretty smoky. But today's the day where we get out of here, one way or another. So it's about 0700, and the tide is, it's going to be low tide in about an hour. So right now the tide is moving southeast, and we want to go the opposite direction, so we have to wait for low tide. We have to wait for the tide to start coming back in, basically. So I'm going to try to pull out of here about 09:30, and we'll get through the Samson Narrows when the tide's moving in the right direction for us, but not too fast. So I got a couple hours to make some breakfast, lounge around, start getting things ready, and then the water should come up a bit, so we won't have to carry it too far. But that's the plan. Be out of here in about 2.5 hours and make it through the Narrows without too much trouble. Hopefully I don't get run over by a speedboat, because it is pretty smoky. But we'll see how it goes. The wind's going to be in our favor too. It's coming out of the south here a little bit. It's just a gentle breeze right now, but it's supposed to pick up. They're forecasting 5 to 15 knots by late morning. So that'll be on our back. So that's going to be good. So aside from the poor visibility, everything seems to be lining up pretty good for us to get out of here today. Unfortunately, we're heading back without seeing too much, but that's the way it goes. I wish I was heading that direction to discover new lands, but I'm going that direction, back to the same old grind. Oh well. Anyways, that's the latest update, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, let's see what's left for breakfast. Flies are getting a bit low. Corn on the cob for breakfast. It's a crying shame that I haven't eaten that yet. It's probably the healthiest thing that I have in here. Get some rolled oats. That's a strong possibility. Oysters. Yeah. A little bit of bread. Chocolate cookies. Oh, good old Canadian staple. That's good breakfast too, yep. Ooh, I like those. Well, I'm thinking oatmeal and some dried fruit. Dried cranberries. Raisins. We have some peanut butter. Peanut butter and jam. Bread. Yeah. Nothing really thrilling me, but I think we'll go with the oatmeal. Okay. also running low on water, but we still have about 3.5 liters left, so that's not too bad. Definitely enough for the day. But by tonight, we'd be looking for more. Somewhere out here is a lighter. Burn, baby, burn. Oh, you can stay right there. Oh, maybe too much. It's gonna be a thick one today. Gonna be a thick one today. You out of the way. You there. You there. Oh, dummy. Put those in. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff. Alright, has it been long enough yet? Patience is not one of my strong suits. When it comes to food, at least. Oh yeah, it's looking almost edible. Another episode of Cooking with Loki. Yep. Pacific Northwest delicacy. There you have it, folks. Gourmet breakfast that you can stand a spoon in. Yep. Alright. Well, we're gonna sit here and look at that. And eat breakfast. Okay, it's now 12 seconds later, and we're done. It was pretty tasty. Just the right viscosity, I think. Kind of wish there was more, but now we have to walk all the way over here just to do dish. Life's a struggle, people. Life's a struggle. Oh, just saw a clam spitting at me. Oh, cheeky little bugger. I think we might revisit that coffee theme. Because although there is such a thing as too much coffee, we're not there yet. There you go, spoon. Alright. Well, you may have guessed, but if you didn't, surprise, we're gonna sit here, we're gonna drink a coffee, and we're gonna look at that. That's kind of the theme on this trip. So I forgot to bring Sensei's ball and chuck it, but seems like wherever we go, he manages to find a ball. So anyways, here we are at Musgrave Point, and he managed to find this chuck it ball. So I made myself a little chuck it, and here we go. Are you ready, bud? Oh, grounder. Oh, bad shot. Probably gonna be pretty jerky, pretty jerky video, hey? Oh, off the cliff. Let's try this way. Oh. He's a real professional at this game. Hey, aren't you, buddy? Oh, there, we're starting to get back on track. I think the camera's throwing me off balance. That's my excuse. Sometimes I worry he's going to go flying off a cliff, perish because of this, but so far hasn't happened. Oh, took his eye off the ball for a second and he lost it. Oh. you got debris all over your head, buddy. What, are you all tucked it out already? You got stuff all over your head, bud. Okay, it's about 10 to 9. Time to start packing up. I'm gonna try to be on the water for 9:30. So food's packed up. We just gotta pack up all this other little stuff. Break camp. Tick tock, tick tock. Where do we start? So many things to do. Okay, a little time for love. Always time for love, isn't there? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Are you ready for a big voyage? Hey? You ready for a big voyage? Through the pass? Through the narrows, I mean? Oh, yeah. Could be crazy. Could be crazy. Okay, we're gonna get going. Whew. Apparently I'm not feeling that strong this morning. Barnacle-strewn rocks. Oh, my poor boat. Poor boat. Okay. These under here. Rudder ties off. Throw a couple sponges in there. Best use of space. Water bladder behind the seat. In case we get thirsty. Thirsty. Okay. Packing job. I'd give it a 6 out of 10. Definitely could use some work. Visibility, I don't know, 500 meters tops. But that should, I see that orange buoy out there, and that's probably 200 to 250 meters. 200. And I can see it, so hopefully the boats can see me. I'm pretty bright, so we should be alright. I'm gonna have to cross the Narrows. We'll see how it goes. I may go down one side and then cross over just to be a little shorter. It's getting to be the time when there's more traffic. So, you know, I will be taking my time going across the middle of the Narrows with low visibility in the high traffic times. So I think I might skirt along one side and then just cross at the narrowest point. Probably be the good plan. So yeah, well, let's launch this sucker. Well folks, that's all for this week. In the final part of this trip, Sensei and I head into the smoky waters standing between us and the launch site. We will be navigating the treacherous waters of Samsung Narrows, low visibility, fast-moving currents, and a bottleneck of marine traffic. It'll be a full day of paddling that we won't soon forget. Thanks for watching.